Pulled up to the local meet. I gotta show off the engine pop. Yes, sir. My car dirty as fuck, but that's okay. I gotta get this black. It might be coming soon, actually. This thing is beautiful. Yes, sir. This thing's beautiful. Dodge game. Ain't that the dude you raced? You did. First of all,
gotta fire some shots.
he bumping in that. I see him. When we pull up to the meet, got the Marrow pulling up. Wish I can look at him real quick. This thing is cool. Got the little eyes on it. I like that. This thing's beautiful. Super shiny.
Like the bomb squad shoots and
That's what's up, Casper. See, I kind of want to. I'm thinking of putting stickers on mine. You should, Clayton. I didn't realize there was 3 of them. That's what's up. That's clean.
says improved Gavin there.
I kind of want to keep a little lawn chair in my car for when I go to stuff.
Oh, yeah.
I've thought of doing it.
Let's see if it's a name Gavin will give us.
Cause you know if I'm gonna put a box in my car,
Yeah, that's the Gavin.
I no longer care about speed. Oh, you're talking about this?
Yeah.
I actually see. Why y'all hating? He's gonna hear y'all saying that.
Lorenzo, be careful.
Gavin gonna hear it.
You gotta be careful with on that pineapple.
And that hood goes up real high. This is what made me think of it.
Maybe he's gonna go jerk off to it.
That's clean. Another stain.
Like that Kane Peel skit with the picture.
Dude, that was freaking hilarious, dude. I see white wheels are popular.
You should know that. That's what it always works on.
Dalton, you're just looking for every chance to insult me that you can. It was a Dodge Grand Caravan. It was all black. Those wheels are clean. Oh, this. I can see James whipping something like that. I was actually asking James, and he said, yes, sir.
Everything else is still in this entire car. Yeah, it's heavy as hell. But low boost kept up with that CTSV.
You struggle with traction at all?
When I start turning the boost up, absolutely. Yeah. A lot of time.
Sound like fucking monsters growling at you, boy. They sound good. They sound good.
But I can't afford to replace my motor anymore. I bought
A little
it
baby
$2,000
filter.
just to replace that motor. Now it's $7.
This is clean.
Oh, so I was going across the one-lane bridge.
I eat ass. That's amazing.
It just lit. I was driving the Mazda and I told her, I was like, there's somebody lighting on fires. I'm going to go down there. We got to find out at the same time.
That's clean.
Like, all the way just the other day, they
I'm pulling through again.
They tried to start a policy where they
Freaking flies, dude. This thing is clean. I like those. That's it.
She doesn't really know what she wants to do yet. She's still in school. That's one thing.
Another stain.
So we closed on our house.
It's already too late for that. Drive, you know. You're an older, so I feel like I would trust you more, you know. They pulled up 3 deep. I respect it.
It'll stay quiet unless I get on it.
Got the Supra. That's clean, boy. Yes, sir.
Pounds lighter than our cars.
Jesus, because he was saying the motor, right?
Yeah.
I like the little red. We had a customer with that little pink Chevy symbol on there. Dirty, dirty. Look at that shit. Dirty. Oh, dirty. Dirty, dirty. Man, my camera won't even focus on it. Dirty, dirty.
You know what? They did him dirty.
Yeah, they did. They did him dirty, dude. Yeah, they did him dirty, dude. And I don't think they even, so I don't.
Because I heard that like an hour ago.
Dalton regrets coming with us, Clayton.
I regret coming to these every day. Time I go.
Why do you come?
You guys talked me into it.
I don't even know if we asked this time.